Sing, O barren heart, lift up your voice. Where there was silence, now rejoice. Stretch out your tent, let it grow wide. No more shame, no need to hide.
Though you felt forgotten, cast aside, love is calling you back inside. The Maker calls you His own. You are never alone. Do not fear, you are restored, held forever by the Lord. Though the mountains shake and fall, His love will outlast it all. Covenant of peace will remain through every loss and every pain. Do not fear, lift up your eyes. Your Redeemer is by your side.
For a moment you felt the night, but His mercy brings the light.
With everlasting love He stays, guiding you through all your days. No storm can tear what He has sealed. Every wound in time is healed. You are precious in His sight, covered in His light. Do not fear, you are restored, held forever by the Lord. Though the mountains shake and fall, His love will outlast it all. Covenant of peace will remain through every loss and every pain. Do not fear, lift up your eyes. Your Redeemer is by your side. Oh, afflicted soul, no longer tossed. Every stone once shattered, now embossed. Built in beauty, strong and sure, on a foundation that endures. No weapon formed will stand or stay. Truth will drive the lies away. This is